Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a letterhead on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the print section and click to the stationery section. Here you can find the letterhead option next to the proposal, and here you have more chance. If you want to add pictures to your project, just go to the uploads button, and here you can upload images and other files to the Canva, or go to the gallery section, and here you can find images and videos from your device. In the elements section, you can search different graphic elements, for example, stickers, charts, and more. If you go to the design section, you can search different styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer, and just select one and step on it. New, you can edit this template. If you want to change the background color, just click to the white square icon next to the design section and just select another color. If you want to move an item on your project, just click that and you can move. If you want to change the text, just click that and write. You can edit this text. Just click to the arrow next to the Garrett text style name, and here you can choose another text style or font type, and just select one and step on it. If you want to edit your text size, just click to the plus or the minus icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.